Hey everyone, today, we're diving deep into flour sealant, that patchy, uneven mess that ruins a perfect seal. Last time, we hit the basics, but let's break down why it happens and exactly how to fix it like a pro. Segment 1, Pressure Mismatch, the number one culprit. First up, pressure. Let's start with the basics. When you refill black and white sealant, your machine's smart pressure gauges need to stay in sync during application, not just after refilling. Why? Because the standard ratio of white to black sealant is 1:10. If, say, white sealant is pumping at 50 psi but black at 400 psi instead of 500 psi to match the 1:10 ratio, the mix gets wonky. The sealant won't blend evenly, leading to streaks or patches aka flour sealant. How to check? Before sealing, hit test mode on your machine. Watch the gauges, they should rise and fall together. If one jumps faster or stays higher, recalibrate until they match 110. Simple, but 90% of folks skip this step. Segment 2, one-way valve, where the silent saboteur. This tiny part keeps sealant flowing forward, no backtracking. But over months of use, its internal spring weakens. New valves have tight, snappy springs that close instantly. Worn ones? The spring loosens, so when you stop applying, sealant trickles back into the tube. That means the next squeeze starts with a gappy mix, leading to unevenness. Fix: pop the valve out, check your machine manual for location. If it's sticky or the spring feels loose, soak it in sealant cleaner for 10 mins, then dry. If that doesn't work, replace it, they're cheap, and a new valve equals smooth flow. Segment 3, mixing core and mixer, the hidden clog. Last but critical, the mixing core and mixer. These parts blend white and black sealant into a uniform texture. But over time, dried sealant builds up inside like gunk in a straw. Plugged mixers can't blend properly, so you get streaks of pure white or black in the sealant. Even a tiny chunk of dried residue throws off the mix. Fix: disassemble the mixer, wear gloves, and soak all parts in warm, soapy water or sealant solvent for 20 mins. Scrub with a soft brush. Pay extra attention to the mixing core's tiny channels. If the core is cracked or warped, replace it. A $10 part saves hours of rework. So to recap, check pressure ratios, inspect the one-way valve, and keep that mixer clean. Do these, and flour sealant becomes a thing of the past. Got a specific sealant issue we didn't cover? Drop it in the comments, we'll tackle it in the next video. And if this helped, hit like and subscribe for more pro tips. See you soon!